of 2008.
What is it, Lindsay?
The blizzard of 2008.
How much snow do we have?
Well, no, we're going to find out.
Let's find out. How much snow do we have? How much snow?
Almost 18 inches.
Almost 18 inches of snow. How much snow?
Too fucking much.
Woo!
No day from work.
Get her!
Almost 2 feet of snow.
Pueblo to jump.
Pueblo!
Get her! Get her! Go play the snow! Go play! Look at him! Look at him!
I can't get him.
Go out first!
I can't get him. The snow's all blocking it. There you go.
Do it, crazy.
Look at him.
Throw it. Do it.
Throw a snowball. Throw a snowball for him!